All right, guys, what can I say? What I'm holding here in my hand is a Taylor pool test kit. All right, comes with a handle. This is the Taylor Complete K-2005 pool test kit. Test for DPD chlorine, 1 to 10 parts per million. DPD bromine, 2 to 20 parts per million. pH with acid and base demand. Total alkalinity, calcium, hardness, and cyanuric acid, which is otherwise known as stabilizer. So I want you to take a good look at this, all right? And I want to show you how it comes. Little cardboard protector on top with a nice little Taylor sticker for something. And basically in here is your pool spa and water chemistry book. Everything you want to know about pool chemistry in this book. But however, like, I want to show you something. Look, you have to, these pages are stuck together here. All right, but I'll go through it. And it has tables in the back of the book. Tells you all about how to decrease your alkalinity using muriatic acid, blah, 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 blah. A lot of stuff in here. That goes down in here. I'm not sure what this wheel is yet. It's what they call a watergram. I guess you do something with it. I'm not sure what yet, but I'll get to that. And then it comes with your test vials. Now, these are marked. These are clearly marked on the side. 10, 25, and 44 as far as the volume of fill. And this side is marked, what is it, 18. Oh, I really can't read it. 1.8, 4.5, and 2 at the top. I'm not sure exactly what that means. But you're supposed to hold this up to the light once you get a reaction. The pH, I think, is on the right, and chlorine is on the left. And then what they give you in here is what they call a lot of reagents, things that react with the chemicals. So this is your reagent 2, reagent 1, reagent 3, pH indication solution, acid demand, base demand, a little mixing bottle, cyanuric acid measurer, cyanuric acid measurer, and you're here over here, thiosulfate N10, otherwise known as R007, total alkalinity indicator, sulfuric acid, R009. And then in the blue, calcium buffer, calcium indicator liquid, and hardness reagent. I have a lot to learn because I've never used a Taylor test kit before, and I have to be real accurate with my water when it gets filled up after they do the plastering. It is imperative for 28 days that the water is perfectly maintained, and there's no better way to maintain the water than with a Taylor test kit, specifically the K-2005. Everything is in here that you need to know. And if you're using yellow bottles, the directions are here. If you're using red bottles, the directions are here. Green bottles, the directions are here. Blue bottles, the directions are here. All right. I can't measure the salt, but this comes out. This is what we're looking at. This is this side of it. You can pause it and take a look at it if you want to. So, like, for example, if you're going to take your free combined and total chlorine, it says fill the small tube to 9 milliliter. Add 5 drops of R1 and 5 drops of R2. Cap and invert to mix, match the color. Record as parts per million. Add 5 drops, then add 5 drops of R3, and then mix, match color immediately. Record as ppm total chlorine. Subtract free chlorine from total chlorine. Record as ppm combined chlorine. Interesting, all right? So we're going to leave that alone. We're going to put it right in here where it belongs. I will be getting to this, and I will take you through using it when I start to use it. So it's kind of like we're both going to learn together here on this. But this is the kit that the pros use. I'm not a pro, but I'm off to the races with this now. Once that pool gets filled up with fresh water. Thanks for watching.